Namaste, this is the Yogalogics. In our last video, we learned the Bhujangasana or the Cobra pose, which is a beneficial pose for the health of your spine. I have given its link in the description box. You can watch, learn and practice Bhujangasana along the video. Today we'll be learning one of the backward bends, the Matsyasana or the fish pose. Before starting the video, please take out some time and subscribe to the Yogalogics to learn more about yoga, its theory and practices. Like and share the video with others who may benefit from them. Some basic things to remember before practicing any yogic practice is having an empty stomach before practice and to wear comfortable clothes which gives you ease of movement and keeps your body relaxed. Please avoid wearing tight clothes during yoga practice as it constricts the blood flow in the body. Some of the benefits of Matsyasana are: Matsyasana removes constipation. Matsyasana helps in deep breathing as the collarbones and the chest muscles and bones open up easily. Deep breathing helps in providing sufficient supply of oxygen in the blood. Matsyasana also stimulates the pituitary and the pineal glands, which are responsible for the overall functioning of the various body systems. Matsyasana can improve flexibility and posture of the spine. Now let's see who should avoid practicing the Matsyasana. People with migraine, insomnia, heart diseases, high blood pressure or low blood pressure must avoid practicing Matsyasana. People who just had an abdominal surgery should not perform Matsyasana. A few things which should be taken care before practicing Matsyasana or any backward bend poses is to warm up your body by doing a few rounds of Surya Namaskar or stretching the muscles. If you want to learn Surya Namaskar, you can watch my previous video. I have given the link in the description box. You can use the video for your daily practice also. Now let's learn the Matsyasana. Lie down in Shavasana, feet apart, hands apart, relax. Getting ready for Matsyasana or the fish pose. Bring your feet together. Inhale, stretch your arms over and above your head. Give yourself a nice stretch. Stretch your whole body. Exhale and relax. Now slide your arms underneath your body. Keep your palms facing down, underneath your thighs, elbows close together beneath the lower back. Now inhale deeply, lift your head and chest up, tilt your head back, look behind you, and then keep the crown of the head on the mat. Now hold and breathe. Inhale slowly and deeply. Exhale slowly and completely. Be aware of the breath. The chest is wide open. You are able to breathe more freely with the lungs. A couple of more long, deep, comfortable breaths. Inhale deeply and slowly slide the head down. Exhale, relax. Release your hands, release your legs, hands and legs apart, palms facing up. Relax in Shavasana. Now bring your legs together. Inhale. Stretch your arms over and above your head. Give yourself a nice long stretch. Stretch your whole body. Exhale and relax. Turning to one side, gently come out of the Shavasana. The Matsyasana is a counter pose for Sarvangasana or the shoulder stand, which we covered in the previous video and must be practiced just after the shoulder stand. We learned the Matsyasana today. Let me know how did you like the video by your comments. We'll meet again in our next video. Till then, better your life with yoga. Om Tat Sat.